right, so quick review on unique triangles. And then we, like I said, as I mentioned earlier, cross sections of prisms. And I do have a little video to show you, which of course I will share with you also. The rest of our quote from the other day was someone I admire, which is, along with Albert Einstein, is Thomas Edison. And again, says that many of life's failures are people who did not realize how close they actually were to success when they gave up. Okay. And again, as we know, as I've mentioned before, Thomas Edison had a lot of mistakes. And there were many times he wanted to give up. And it was a good thing that he did not. So we wouldn't have many of the things that we have today. All right, this is a real easy SAT question. All righty. It says, please find the decimal equivalent for the following fraction, 1/8. So this is pretty simple. Good, good. Again, all you have to do, well, again, if you have a calculator, divide numerator into denominator. A angle, side, angle, and an angle, angle, side. It also talks about equal angular, because we're talking about some angles. The only one that did not mention in there, and there is another one, there's a fifth one. Well, actually there's 6, but 5 is what we truly use most often, is that of the HL. HL is hypotenuse leg, and again is only used with right triangles. Here's examples of the 5 different, and we'll call them postulates and theorems eventually, of what we just talked about with the side, side, side. Now they did mention the HL, and they call it the right hypotenuse side. We do not call it a RHS, okay? All right, here's just a look at some prisms and how they have done cross sections. And when you cut straight through an object, what you are looking at, their view by cutting through it. So again, here we have our triangle. And again, if we cut through that triangle, this is what you would see. Here, I mean, this is something we probably eat quite a bit, or that you've done before, cutting a piece of celery. That is the look of a celery once you cut into it. Here was our triangular square prism here. And again, if we cut into it, just like you saw in the video, it forms a square. And I know we really didn't work with the cylinder too much, but if we cut through that, we've created, again, a circle. All right, hexagon, very good. Yes, they will roll. Okay, will not roll. All right.